Audio Jungle.
First Volvo EX90 models begin to roll off production line. In a production facility near Charleston, South Carolina, the all-new Volvo EX90 electric SUV has started to roll off the production lines. The very first model, which will be heading to a US-based customer, was finished in denim blue paint and should be with its new driver in the coming months. As a brand known for its safety, Volvo says the EX90 breaks new ground in safety, thanks to its cutting-edge core computing technology and a vast array of sensors and systems looking out for the safety of the occupants and other road users. First announced back in late 2022, the Volvo EX90 is not only the brand's largest EV to date, but it is also its most luxurious. Available in both 7-seat and 4-seat configurations, the Swedish brand has gone to town with the finish as well as the level of tech featured in the model. The Volvo EX90 is a statement for where we are and where we are going. It's fully electric with a range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge, designed to further raise our safety standards, the first Volvo car to be truly defined by its software and part of a wider ecosystem. Production of the all-new Volvo EX90 has started in South Carolina, ahead of first customer deliveries later this year. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.